Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog update video. This is number 9, I believe. Yeah, I keep forgetting the numbers, but quick look, and it's actually number 9. So, I've been doing the series since COVID hit us, and we've gone into lockdown mode and kind of like semi-lockdown mode is what I can call it right now, wherein we aren't going out as much as we want to, and there are certain areas like even after the lockdown got lifted. For the most part, sorry about those beeps. Even after the lockdown got lifted, for the most part, there were certain areas that you couldn't go to, and now the infected numbers are coming up once again. So we have quarantine zones within the city. Of course, I live in Cochin, so yeah, your areas can have some different thing. And at the beginning of or rather, like last weekend, we were even thinking that there were rumors that we might go into a triple lockdown for another week or maybe 2, and some of the ministers in the government were saying that there won't be a warning or an information before it is announced, so it might immediately go into lockdown if the government feels that the numbers are going up way too high. A lot of bings because my laptop is on and both my phones, well, this is one phone and the other phone is over here, so I'm getting a lot of updates, alerts and stuff. Anyway, thought I'd do a quick update. Like I said, more for me, because I want to look back and see what was happening back in 2020. The shittiest year that I can think of. Well, actually, no. I think there were a couple of years that were really worse for me personally. It probably was a normal year or even a good year or a great year for some people, but 2013 was a really bad year for me. 2014 as well, and several months of 2011. 2012. 2012 and 2014. Let's put it that way. Most of it. So yeah, so those are the things that bothered me. There were a lot of things that actually bothered me during those couple of years, and well, since then it's been much better. But yeah, at least I'm working full time, getting a full salary, also getting some money from some sponsored stuff that I do online on my blog and things like that. Which is kind of dull this month. For some reason, July always seems to be a month that things are a little less, and there are a couple of mosquitoes that got inside the house. In terms of the weather, I can't complain. The last 2 months have been awesome. June and July, because of the rains, and it hasn't been raining for the last couple of days, but still it's been kind of very cool, and so temperature wise it's pretty good. Although I'm sweating right now, that's because I've been running around for a couple of things. Had some groceries being delivered. We were having difficulty in certain vegetables, so there's a service called Big Basket. Let me give a shout out to those guys. Although I do have a couple of problems with them. One, they I don't know, because they might be getting it from certain areas. They can only deliver at certain times, and the time, it's not a tracking like how you have it on Swiggy or Zomato. Uber Eats, for people who have Uber Eats, we don't have Uber Eats anymore in India. Their Indian service got eaten up by Zomato because Uber Eats was running at a loss. But yeah, so Zomato and Swiggy is, you can actually track it after you place the order. This normally is, if you place it in the morning, you might get it in the evening or the next day. So I actually put the order in for these items on Friday night, and they didn't have a spot for Saturday at all, so I decided to put it. They had Sunday morning and Sunday between 4 and 7. So I chose 4 to 7 because since I'm working in the evening shifts now, I don't tend to wake up until like 12. Today I woke up at 12 o'clock, so because of that, spent most of the day today online. Watched a movie in the afternoon. This is my second time viewing the movie Paranormal Activity 3. That's one. Yesterday I watched The Lovely Bones, which is a good movie. I can't call it a great movie, but the visual aspects of it, it is a It's like extremely pleasing for the eyes. It's food for the eyes, I can call it. Give a shout out for that, but I don't think it's a movie that I can actually watch several times. Maybe someday down the line, 5 years from now, I might watch it compared to a lot of movies which I can rewatch over and over again. But this one is kind of it's got a little bit of a cheesy element in it. So it's based on a book that came out in 2002, I believe. So, and it is directed by Peter Jackson. And yeah, the visual, you can imagine the visual aspects that he's got up the ante a little bit. So that's the movie that I watched. And last night I was also watching A Blast from the Past, which is Mad Mission. So I've done a review of Mad Mission. Sorry, this is Mad Mission 2. I already did a review for Mad Mission, which will be coming up sometime soon. I always do these in advance. So I'm drinking 7-Up on ice, although my ice is already melted. For a while I wasn't feeling like drinking 7-Up or Coke because it was kind of really cold. So coffee is is all that I drink normally during those days. Most of this month has been like that. It's only a couple of times that I want to drink 7-Up. So today is it's got a little bit warmer in the evening, so I do feel like having a drink. Yesterday I had a beer as well. Had a nice personal sized pizza with a couple of chicken wings. Today afternoon we had a lovely surprise from one of our neighbors. They gave us a biryani. Well, it's actually kind of a large one, enough for 3 people. There was quite a bit of it. I did not. I already had purchased some fish, so fish with this chicken biryani. It was 1 piece each for all of us, but it was okay. It was pretty good. I wouldn't say it was extremely nice, but yeah, it was nice of them to give it to us. But they made it at their home over here, so kind of been a nice weekend food-wise. And I'm a foodie, so I like that. What else? My sister and niece had just come and visited us, and they just left a few minutes ago. I'm waiting for the football match to start. Arsenal versus Tottenham, the North London derby, or should I say Tottenham versus Arsenal, since it's held at the new White Hart Lane grounds. What do we think of Tottenham? Shit. Yeah. So it's around 8:40 right now. So I hope Arsenal is going to win the game, because this season has been really miserable for us. And going above Tottenham and beating the scum is going to be a positive thing for us. Hope it is going to happen. I actually thought about doing football reviews, mainly Arsenal specific, because that's all I seem to watch right now. I don't really watch too many other matches. Once in a while, if I'm in the mood, I will put on another football match, but I tend not to watch more football other than that. And then international matches like the World Cup, and of course World Cup definitely, and the Euro tournament as well, which happen like every 4 years. What's in store for me tonight after the match? I think later on tonight, I'm going to sleep only around 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. or maybe 4 a.m. in the morning. That's my schedule. Oh yeah, I didn't mention that I am actually working from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. So I probably will only be falling asleep around that time, 4 a.m. or maybe 5 a.m. I am doing a remote training, online training for some new hired folks in our Hyderabad office. And I've never actually been to Hyderabad, so I wish I could actually see them face to face. I can only see them for a little while. In the beginning, when I, check and see if everyone is in, and that is when I ask them to put the webcams on, and that's about it. They haven't seen me yet, although they've seen my photo. But yeah, I wish, they've been asking me like, when do you come to Hyderabad? So I said like, yeah, cool. Right now, no way. Maybe next year, if I do get a chance, but yeah. So that is that. Work-wise, things are okay. They're kind of lengthier days because I kind of start around 6 p.m. Maybe 6:30 p.m. I take a shower at 6 p.m. and then come in, switch on my work system, which is a pain in the ass. The thing is, it's too bulky for my desk, and I'm missing the fact that I can't keep my laptop on this table. So maybe next weekend, or maybe the weekend after that, because I don't think next weekend I'm going to go out either. I want things to calm down a little bit. But the next big purchase that I have is probably going to be a furniture one, which is I would like a bigger desk. I'm going to have to work around some things because I don't have much space, and that's a problem. But since I think we're going to be stuck here working at home till next year, this is why this is the shittiest year for everybody. But yeah, because of that, I don't really like the fact that this system takes up so much space. It's such a clunky little bitch, but at the same time, and I think I should try and get a. Then I might have to do some other workaround over here. I may have to push my bed a little forward, but then there's not much space between that and the window, and then that's another problem. I don't really know what to do, but I definitely need more space. I can't keep my speakers over here, which is why I bought the Bluetooth speaker, since I don't have to plug it in. It's actually over here charging. I've been charging it on my laptop via the USB cable, and then once it's charged, I put it on the shelf over here so I can listen to music, while I'm playing the YouTube videos and listen to music and stuff. What else? I miss going out. I miss hanging out. I miss hanging out in malls. Even if I'm on my own, I miss going to a movie theater. Those are the things I really miss a lot. I miss spending time in a cafe, in a restaurant. My cousin and I were talking about. We don't know when we're gonna. We did hang out a couple. I mean, we hung out once, and then I went for another restaurant as well. But I don't really know when I can do this again. So I mean, really go back to normal. And I was just wondering, when are things actually going to get back to normal? So yeah, what the heck. Anywho, rant and vlog done. It's 12 past. It's over 12 minutes. I think I'll shut it down for now, and I will do a couple of movie reviews, and then I will start watching the football match. Continue drinking my 7-Up, and maybe will be time for dinner pretty soon. So, good night, guys, and for now, and take care. Have a nice weekend. I hope, or rather, since the weekend's almost done, I hope you've had a nice weekend. Enjoy some football. Have a nice dinner, everybody, and hopefully next week is a little better for everyone. So, good night.